Why does the Indian Penal Code matter? You see, the Indian Penal Code, or IPC, is an intricate and comprehensive framework of criminal laws, with a rich history dating back to 1860. It is the primary criminal code of India, detailing penalties for various crimes and playing a vital role in maintaining law and order. The Indian Penal Code begins with Section 1, which outlines the title and extent of operation of the code. It is followed by Section 2, which details the punishment for offences committed within India. Section 3 then extends these penalties to offences committed beyond India's borders, but which can be tried within the country. Section 4 further broadens the code's scope to extraterritorial offences. As we move on to Section 8, we find a definition of gender. Section 11 then clarifies the term person. Between Sections 19 and 26, we encounter a series of definitions that provide clarity on terms such as judge, court of justice, public servant, and movable property, among others. Section 34 deals with acts done by several persons in furtherance of a common intention, while Section 35 highlights when such an act is considered criminal due to it being done with criminal knowledge or intention. Scene script. Section 52 defines good faith, and Section 53 outlines the various forms of punishment. The code then delves into the specifics of solitary confinement in Sections 73 and 74. Sections 76 to 106 encompass general exceptions, followed by Sections 107 to 120, which discuss abetment. Section 121 is particularly grave, dealing with waging or attempting to wage war against the government of India. The code then moves to discuss matters of sedition in Section 124A and unlawful assembly from Section 141 to 149. The Indian Penal Code also addresses giving false evidence, public nuisance, sale of obscene books, and deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings, among others. In essence, the Indian Penal Code provides a robust framework for the administration of justice in India, offering definitions, explanations, and penalties for a wide range of offences. It is a testament to India's commitment to maintaining law and order, and a crucial tool for anyone studying or practicing law in the country. In this brief overview, we've touched on some of the most essential sections of the Indian Penal Code, from its definitions and extensions to its treatment of various types of offences. These sections provide a snapshot of the code's breadth and depth, illustrating its pivotal role in India's legal landscape. Remember, a thorough understanding of the IPC is not just beneficial for law students or practitioners, but also for every citizen, as it fosters a deeper appreciation of the rights, responsibilities, and penalties enshrined in India's criminal law. This ends our journey through the Indian Penal Code, a journey that has hopefully shed some light on this vital piece of legislation. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the law is the first step to ensuring justice for all.